What's going on YouTube? Today I want to do a review of the TELESIN U-shape neck holder mount, and so far I really enjoy how it works. A lot of people were complaining about having a problem with this button here, and pretty much taking it off, putting it back on, but I didn't really see much trouble in that as long as you have this neck lined up pretty good right there. It snaps right in. Another feature that you have here is that it's super easy to take off. All you have to do is twist and pop it out, and it's magnetic right there, so it sticks back in, and then you swivel it to, there's two dots that you line it up to, and yeah, it's accessible for people who like to fish and vlog, or just vlog in general. So say if you want to get a shot of yourself with the GoPro, you can use it for that matter as well. So it's pretty easy to put on, just like that. Hit that button on the back and line it up, just like that.
10 hours later.
So you just got to make sure that the angle is right, and boom, there it is. And it's pretty comfortable, it's flexible, so that you can kind of cater it to your own needs. You can cant the camera up and down, and it also comes with an attachment where you could put it on and turn the GoPro sideways. So say if you want to record some YouTube shorts and things like that, it does come in handy for that. It comes with a phone holder too, so if you wanted to record with your phone, you can actually put your phone on. Say if your GoPro battery dies, or say if you don't have a GoPro, you can use this as well. But a couple things I wanted to do a comparison of was just a different point of view of the chest mount, and then doing a side-by comparison of this neck mount here, as well as a comparison of the head mount. One thing I realized just from the bat is that this has a really good angle of even when you're recording other people. And what I'll do is I'll just show you a real quick clip of just how it looks like if you're recording a buddy of you that's fishing, or you're doing any other type of outdoor activities. So here we go. All these, they have pros and cons. Me personally, I'm a big fan of this neck mount, but I'm not trying to say it's for everyone, because yeah, to each is their own, and I will let you be the decider of which one you think is best for you. So I am recording 1080 by 60 on these videos on my GoPro settings. One of the things I noticed right off the bat is just the better angle of the rod and my hands not getting too much in the way of, say if I were to have the chest mount, you know, you can't really see what's going on sometimes. Say if it's a really hot day, this fabric and stuff, it does get really uncomfortable. The newer models of the chest mount, they do have some type of padding on the back, so you're not going to pick up as much noise. I noticed that some of my videos that if this moves here, you're going to get a little bit of noise on your GoPro of the fidgeting or moving or whatever it may be. And also if you're talking to somebody, it's a different perspective. If you were to have a head mount on, you get a full view. But the thing about the head mount is it's almost as if like your head is on a swivel. So if you're having a conversation with somebody or you're looking to the left or to the right real quick, then you're going to see that one of the things is it could make you feel motion sick as a viewer, or it just seems like, you know, just a really fast movement that sometimes can give you a little bit of a headache. Stability wise, I really do like the neck mount as long as you have it sitting right and it's not, you know, moving around too much. It's comfortable, and as long as, say if you're talking to somebody, you have your body facing towards them, just as a normal conversation, you will end up getting some good footage. One of my favorite parts of the head mount is that you have a higher view and you can kind of catch more here, but you know, when you're bringing in a fish and you're holding it up, you really have to hold the fish up high, just depending on the cant of the camera. Say if you have the head mount, you're not going to get as much audio noise from up here. And also as you're speaking, one of the pros of having the head mount is that you're not going to, you know, catch yourself, say if you're breathing hard or something, like you're not going to get as much of that. So there's pros and cons to both. So all in all, this right here was about 30 bucks, this little mount, and so far I have nothing but good things to say about it. It's super easy to use, super convenient, and snaps right in. So this might be the next game changer. This might be a game changer for, you know, people out there that are trying to get into fishing, or maybe you already have a fishing channel and you want to step up your game, step up your quality. I think this is the way to go for any type of fishing videos. If you enjoyed today's video, be sure to subscribe for more future content that's coming to you in the near future.